guys, I made it to the gym. I freaking am tired. I actually am peeling from freaking cob on my nose. It's annoying me. I am gonna do leg day, quad focused, a little bit of glutes, and I'm only gonna be here for about 45 minutes. My workouts now are about 45 minutes to an hour max, just because I don't like being in here for 2 hours and killing myself for 2 hours. It's not necessary. So I normally am in here about 45 minutes to an hour now. I might do some cardio depending on how I feel after. I already did cardio this morning, so I don't want to overdo it. But I will take you guys along with my workout, and then after I'm actually going to go to the grocery store and cook for some prep food. So hope you guys enjoy this workout. I'm probably going to do about, we'll see, probably about 4 exercises. Gonna lift pretty heavy, and it's quad focused today. And I got my little BCAAs, and I got a couple other little things in here that I use for my pre-workouts. I don't do any type of crazy pre-workouts. I used to back in the day, but I just don't anymore. It gets my heart rate up too much, and it kind of makes me have anxiety, all those pre-workouts out there. So I just do my BCAAs and a couple other small things that I like to give me a good pump. So see you guys in the gym. leg day. That was a freaking amazing workout. Quad focused. I did about 4 exercises focusing on quads. I lifted pretty heavy today. First day back in the gym in a while, so especially legs. I went about 80% so that I can walk the next few days. I break myself in the first couple weeks, and then I go really hardcore. So I've learned my lesson on not breaking myself back in. So I am actually gonna head to the grocery store right now, get some dinner, probably some type of steak, or I'm thinking like a whitefish. So probably gonna prep for the next 3 days. So I'll show you guys what I get and what I cook. Hope you guys enjoyed that workout as well. It's pretty good. What did we do? We did some leg extensions
this week, and maybe
and then we did front squats, and then we did deadlifts. So yeah, I think I was in there about a good hour. Yeah, good hour. So good workout. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments. I will show you guys what I'm cooking. What's up, guys? Just got back from the gym. I downed a little bit of egg whites because I didn't want a protein shake, but I needed protein because I was hungry. And I actually did a grocery haul. I'm not gonna tell you guys everything that I got and go through it specifically, but you guys get a really good idea. But the thing I'm most excited about is pumpkin spice. But I meant to get the sugar-free and I ended up getting the normal, which is not bad because it's like 35 calories for 1 teaspoon, which is not bad at all. But tonight I'm gonna make, for my last meal, I'm gonna make chicken salad. And I will show you guys how it looks when I'm done.